Every so often, we come across a project that is unique, that is super interesting. For example, take a look at this tabletop stand that we created for a baking company, the Rustic Oven. This tabletop stand combines multiple functions. We've displayed QR codes to show the client's Instagram page as well as a QR code to accept payment. We've also created a small holder on the front to hold the company's visiting card. And to top it all off, we've displayed the company's logo using laser cut acrylic. The QR codes are made from a reverse printed acrylic material. And when anybody scans these QR codes, you are immediately directed to the company's Instagram page. We create acrylic logos on a daily basis here at Orchid Digital. But when you come across something so unique, it has to be highlighted. And for more such interesting tips on printing and signages, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigital.com.